I was sitting in my home office and I heard a loud crashing sound as the Amazon driver dropped this box on the ground. You notice it does say fragile. Yeah, well, I heard them from the back of the house with the windows closed. So we're going to open this up. And we're going to peel it back. And what the hell kind of packing job is that? What? Do not drop. It looks like everything got dropped. Like, who the hell packs stainless steel? Man, this ain't junk either. What the hell? What the? This is crazy. Now I need to make sure everything's here. Alright. We're supposed to have a big steamer pot. And a big skillet. Small fry pan. A large fry pan. A medium large saucepan. Small saucepan, a steamer, conveniently fits in the medium-sized pot, a large lid for the big cooker, a medium lid for a saute pan. There's the lid for the steamer. There's the lid for the small pan.